And our pole sitter, Jack McCarthy, leading him in very slowly indeed as he enters the Ausloan Finance start zone. 25 laps for the Wingless Prince. We're underway. Into turn number 1. Oh, Tyson Martin just had to get off the gas a little there as McCarthy slid up in front of him as they race through turn number 3 and 4. Oh, the Tapley sideways there. 3 wide, 4 wide almost. Coming out of turn number 4. Oh, Ryland Furler got boxed right in there. He dove to the inside, got by Gessel, got by Caruso as well. But our leader up in front is the 23 of Jack McCarthy, Tyson Martin second. A lot better run tonight after issues for the 36 of Ryan Alexander. Didn't finish our opening feature of the year, up to third. Mitch Broom working that high side. The 20 of Harley Alexander having a good run, as too is Nate Trewin, who is gutter ratting it around the bottom of the racetrack, but at the moment it's working for the 58. Even Nate Trewin has given up on the bottom side of the racetrack, especially through 1 and 2. Although 3 and 4, McCarthy running the bottom, so too is Mitchell Broom in car 35. Once again, Trewin back to the inside through turn number 1 and 2. So he might just have something worked out on that part of the racetrack as he gets by the 20 of Harley Alexander. But the top 4 starting to just inch away from the rest of the pack. But our leader is still Jack McCarthy. Tyson Martin is the fastest driver on the Speedway by 0.003 of a second. Oh, Mitch Broom. Can he keep it going?
He can, yeah, he's back in.
Almost got into the side of Alexander as they race for third. Walsh and McCarthy were sitting back on Martin. Similar situation here, I think, as our leaders are now in the lap traffic. Gets by Nicole Southby. Our leader, next car will be the 92 of Thomas Walkham. Couple of cars up in front. Is that Aaron Kennett as well in the 61? McCarthy has to decide. Oh, car around mid-corner is Jenna Curvers in the 18 stage.
At this stage.
Nominations close midnight tomorrow, so we'll see how it goes. So here we go, back to green. 11 laps remaining. McCarthy, Martin, Alexander, Trewin, and then Harley Alexander. Then the 35 of Mitch Broom. Back underway. Back straight, riverside of the Speedway. Have a look at Harley Alexander running the high groove out of turn number 4. Everybody right up on the fence through 1 and 2, except for, I think it's Tapley.
Oh, massive crash.
Big crash. Huge.
Straight to red. I think that is, don't want to call it, but I think that is.
I think it's Harley.
It is Harley Alexander.
Yeah. Caruso, the top 8 or so on the restart, back underway. And Martin gave McCarthy nothing on that restart. He was right on the rear nerf bar of the 23 when the green flag fell. McCarthy leads another. McCarthy, Martin, Alexander, Broom, Trewin.
Stage of this race as we come through with 5 laps to run. 5 to run, 19 done, 5 to go. And it's spread out now with Tyson Martin safely in second. It's that battle for third place with Ryan Alexander now and Mitch Broom and Nate Trewin all over the back of him, or not too far back. Then we go back to Ryan Furler, but Jack McCarthy looking like he's got this one.
Be shown to Jack McCarthy. And can Jack go back to back? Down the back straight, a winner last week in Renmark. Through turn number 3 and 4. It will be back-to-back wins for Jack in car number 23. Does it superbly in the end over Tyson Martin. Ryan Alexander, Mitchell Broom, Nate Trewin, Ryland Furler got to 6th. William Caruso, a nice quiet run for 7th.